here we have 1.5 Hz Astable Multivibrator, which I made with 4 MPN transistors, 4 MPN BJTs, and here we have 0.5 Hz Astable Multivibrator, which I also made with 4 MPNs. Also we have 2 MPNs for driving these two LEDs without losing any significant voltage. Also, it's not while it's not very easy to see on the camera, we have 2 inverters here for our dip switch right here, which we are going to use it for our multiplexer right here. And here we have CMOS Multiplexer, which changes our signal from 1.5 Hz to 0.5 Hz. As you can see, this is right now working at 0.5 Hz. But if I change switch to, you can see it's switched to 1.5 Hz signal. And if I switch off the second switch, it switched back to 0.5 Hz signal, which works as expected. And in the future we are going to make a switchable binary coded decimal counter, which is going to count from 0 to 99, and will show its output in a 7-segment display, actually 2 7-segment displays. And this is all.